Hello YouTube, welcome back current subscribers. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. In this video I'll show you how to replace the cabin air filter in the 2016 Civic. First step, open up the door and move the seat back. Now open up your glove box and push in on the sides. The next step is to locate your filter lid, which is right here. You have one tab right here, and you have one tab right here. Pushing the two tabs and remove the lid. There's your air filter. Now pull out your air filter. Here it is. Vacuum it out. Alright, now get your new filter. Make sure the arrow is pointing down. And install your new filter. There we go, filter is in. Now put the lid back on. Make sure you hear it clicking. Now close the glove box. And you're done.